So here's how to fix Wi-Fi missing from settings or not showing the Wi-Fi option on Windows 11. First, you want to click on the start button and then search for Internet Options and then click on it. Now you want to go to the Advanced tab and then click on Restore Advanced Settings and then click on Apply and OK. Next, we want to perform a network reset. So we want to right click on the Start button and then go to Settings. Now go to Network and Internet and then Advanced Network Settings. Now you want to click on Network Reset and then you want to click Reset Now and confirm to reset the network. And it should prompt you to restart your computer. Now after restarting your computer, check if the Wi-Fi is back and working again. Otherwise, what you can do is right click on the taskbar and then go to the services section and then click on Open Services. Now you want to look for a service called WLAN. So you want to press W and then look for WLAN service, which is this WLAN auto config. Now you want to double click on it and make sure the startup type is set to automatic and the service status is running. Now if it's not running, you can simply press the start button here to start it and run it. Then you can press apply and OK. Now we want to look for the other service, which is called WWAN, which is this WWAN autoconfig. Double click on it. Do the same, startup type to automatic and start the service if it's not already running. Click on apply and OK. Next, you want to close this and then right click on the start button again and go to settings. Then go to network and internet and then advanced network settings. And from this list for the network adapters, you want to look for your Wi-Fi network adapter and then try to disable it and then re-enable it again and check if it works for you and it connects. Now, if it still does not work for you, what you can do is close out of this and then right click on the start button, go to device manager. Then in the device manager, you want to expand the network adapters and then you want to select your Wi-Fi network adapter. So for example, I'm going to select the first one, right click on it and then click update driver and then click browse my computer for drivers and then click let me pick from a list of available drivers and then select the first one, then press next and wait for it to install the drivers. Now once it's completed, you can press close and that should refresh the network adapter. Now you will simply need to restart your computer and that should fix the problem. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.